Ever felt like some people just have a knack for getting what they want? Like life bends to their will? A new car appears out of nowhere, their dream job falls into their lap, or the perfect partner suddenly crosses their path. It's almost like magic. But what if it wasn't magic at all? What if it was a hidden knowledge, a secret power, waiting to be unlocked within you? This secret lies in the ancient wisdom of the Kybalion. For centuries, it has been whispered about in hushed tones, passed down through generations, and kept hidden from the masses. But today, we're pulling back the curtain to reveal its incredible potential for transforming your life. The Kybalion isn't just another self-help book. It's a blueprint for shaping your reality, a user manual for the universe itself. And the best part? You don't need to be a spiritual guru or a chosen one to harness its power. The Kybalion isn't just a book. It's a timeless treasure trove of wisdom that's been shrouded in mystery for centuries. It is said to be the essence of Hermes Trismegistus's teachings, a legendary figure often referred to as the thrice greatest. Some call him a god, others a prophet, but one thing's for sure. His wisdom has echoed through the ages, influencing philosophers, scientists, and spiritual seekers alike. The origins of the Kybalion are shrouded in the mists of time. Some say it was passed down through secret societies, hidden from the prying eyes of the uninitiated. Others believe it was discovered in ancient ruins, its pages whispering forgotten secrets. Regardless of its exact origins, the Kybalion has proven to be a source of profound insight for those who dare to explore its pages. At its core, the Kybalion outlines 7 Hermetic principles, fundamental laws that govern the universe and our lives. These principles aren't abstract concepts. They're practical tools you can use to shape your reality. The first principle, mentalism, tells us that the universe is mental. Our thoughts aren't just fleeting ideas, they are the building blocks of our reality. By understanding the power of our minds, we can begin to consciously create the life we desire. The second principle, correspondence, reveals the interconnectedness of everything. As above, so below. What we experience in our personal lives reflects the greater patterns of the universe. By recognizing this connection, we can tap into the flow of life and align ourselves with its abundance. Vibration is the third principle, reminding us that everything is energy in motion. From the smallest atom to the grandest galaxy, everything vibrates at a specific frequency. By raising our own vibration, we can attract more positive experiences into our lives. The fourth principle, polarity, reveals that everything has its opposite: light and darkness, hot and cold, love and fear. These pairs are not separate, but two sides of the same coin. By understanding polarity, we can transmute negativity into positivity and find balance in our lives. Rhythm, the fifth principle, teaches us that everything flows in cycles. The tides rise and fall, the seasons change, and our lives have their own rhythms. By learning to flow with these cycles, we can find harmony and avoid unnecessary resistance. The sixth principle, cause and effect, reminds us that nothing happens by chance. Every action has a consequence, and we are the architects of our own destiny. By taking responsibility for our choices, we can create future that aligns with our desires. Finally, the seventh principle, gender, speaks of the masculine and feminine energies that exist within all of us. By balancing these energies, we can unlock our full potential and live a life of wholeness and fulfillment. The 7 Hermetic principles may seem simple, but their implications are profound. They offer a roadmap to personal transformation, a way to navigate life's challenges with grace and wisdom. The Kybalion teaches us that we are not victims of circumstance, but powerful creators of our own reality. Now you might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but isn't the Kybalion just for scholars or spiritual gurus? That's a common misconception, but the truth is far more empowering. The Kybalion isn't reserved for the elite or spiritually advanced. It's a gift meant for everyone. Its teachings are presented in a way that's both profound and accessible, regardless of your background or beliefs. Another myth suggests that applying the Kybalion requires complex rituals or esoteric practices. While some people may choose to incorporate rituals into their learning, they're not a requirement for harnessing the power of the Kybalion. The principles themselves are the tools, and your willingness to apply them is the key. Perhaps the most damaging myth is that the Kybalion is just a theoretical concept with no real-world applications. Nothing could be further from the truth. The Kybalion is a practical guide for living a more intentional and fulfilling life. It's about understanding the universal laws that govern our existence and using that knowledge to create positive change. Let's look into the heart of the Kybalion, its 7 Hermetic principles. These principles aren't just abstract ideas. They are the keys to unlocking your true potential. The first principle, mentalism, is the foundation of the Kybalion. It tells us that the universe is a mental creation. Your thoughts aren't just random occurrences. They are the architects of your reality. By understanding the power of your mind, you can start to consciously choose the thoughts that will shape your life. The second principle, correspondence, reveals a profound truth. As above, so below. The microcosm reflects the macrocosm. In other words, the patterns and principles that govern the universe are mirrored in our own lives. This means that by understanding and working with these universal laws, we can create positive change in our own personal world. The third principle, vibration, tells us that everything in the universe is energy in motion. Every thought, emotion, and object vibrates at a specific frequency. By becoming aware of your own vibrational state, you can raise it to attract more positive experiences into your life. The fourth principle, polarity, teaches us that everything in the universe has its opposite: love and hate, joy and sorrow, abundance and lack. These are not separate entities, but different ends of the same spectrum. By recognizing this duality, we can learn to transmute negative emotions into positive ones. For instance, if you're feeling overwhelmed by fear, you can consciously choose to focus on courage instead. The Kybalion reminds us that we always have a choice, and by shifting our focus to the positive pole, we can transform our experience of life. Rhythm, the fifth principle, reveals the cyclical nature of the universe. The seasons change, the tides ebb and flow, and our own lives follow a similar pattern. By understanding and working with these natural rhythms, we can navigate life's ups and downs with greater ease. For example, if you're experiencing a period of low energy, instead of resisting it, you can honor your need for rest and rejuvenation. By aligning with the natural rhythms of life, you can find a sense of balance and harmony. The sixth principle, cause and effect, is a reminder that we are not merely pawns in the game of life, but active participants. Every action we take has a consequence, and we are the architects of our own destiny. By becoming aware of the choices we make and the actions we take, we can consciously create the future we desire. This principle encourages us to take responsibility for our lives and to become proactive creators of our own happiness and success. The seventh principle, gender, speaks of the masculine and feminine energies that exist within all of us. The masculine energy is associated with action, logic, and will, while the feminine energy is associated with intuition, creativity, and receptivity. By recognizing and balancing these energies within ourselves, we can achieve a sense of wholeness and fulfillment. For example, if you tend to be overly logical and analytical, you can benefit from cultivating your intuition and creativity. Similarly, if you tend to be overly emotional and reactive, you can benefit from developing your willpower and focus. By understanding and applying these 7 principles, you can unlock the hidden power within you and create a life that is truly extraordinary. The Kybalion offers a roadmap to personal transformation. empowering you to become the master of your own destiny. The Kybalion isn't just about lofty ideas, it's about real-world results. Let's explore some practical examples of how you can apply these principles to your life. Imagine you have a dream job in mind. By using the law of attraction, which is rooted in the principle of mentalism, you can start to visualize yourself already working in that position. Feel the excitement, the sense of accomplishment as if it's already your reality. This positive mental image, combined with focused action, can help you attract the opportunities and connections you need to land your dream job. Perhaps you're facing a difficult challenge or setback. This is where the principle of polarity comes into play. Instead of getting stuck in negativity, recognize that challenges are simply opportunities for growth. By shifting your perspective and focusing on solutions, you can transform obstacles into stepping stones toward success. What about creating positive habits? The principle of rhythm can be your ally here. Everything in life has a natural ebb and flow. By understanding your own rhythms, you can identify the optimal times to take action and create sustainable habits. For example, if you're most alert in the mornings, schedule your most important tasks for that time. As with any powerful tool, there are some common pitfalls to avoid when working with the Kybalion. One of the biggest mistakes is focusing on lack instead of abundance. When you dwell on what you don't have, you inadvertently attract more of the same. Instead, shift your focus to gratitude for what you already have and cultivate an abundance mindset. Another mistake is not taking consistent action towards your goals. The Kybalion empowers you to create your reality, but it doesn't do the work for you. You need to take inspired action steps to manifest your desires. Doubting the power of your own mind is a surefire way to sabotage your progress. The Kybalion teaches us that our thoughts have incredible creative power. Believe in yourself and your ability to shape your reality, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. As you begin your journey with the Kybalion, recall that even the grandest transformations start with small steps. Begin by setting achievable goals that align with the principles you've learned. Perhaps you want to cultivate more gratitude, improve your focus, or strengthen your intuition. By starting small and celebrating your wins along the way, you'll build momentum and confidence in your ability to create change. One powerful practice that can amplify the effects of the Kybalion is keeping a gratitude journal. Each day, take a few moments to reflect on the things you're grateful for. This simple act can shift your focus from lack to abundance and attract more positivity into your life. Another key to success is surrounding yourself with positive influences. The people you spend time with, the books you read, the media you consume, all of these can either uplift or drain your energy. Seek out those who inspire and support you on your journey, and create an environment that nourishes your mind, body, and spirit. Now, it's perfectly natural to have doubts. After all, the Kybalion challenges conventional thinking and invites us to step outside our comfort zones. But skepticism doesn't have to be a barrier. In fact, it can be a catalyst for growth. If you're feeling skeptical, I encourage you to approach the Kybalion with an open mind and a willingness to experiment. Test the principles for yourself and see what happens. The Kybalion isn't about blind faith. It's about personal discovery and empowerment. The Kybalion is a tool, not a dogma. You don't have to believe everything you read or hear. Take what resonates with you, leave what doesn't, and most importantly, trust your own intuition. The journey of self-discovery is a personal one, and the Kybalion can be a powerful guide along the way. The Kybalion offers a path toward a life of purpose, fulfillment, and joy. It's a reminder that you are not a passive observer, but an active creator of your own reality. By understanding and applying the 7 Hermetic principles, you can tap into your innate wisdom and create a life that truly reflects your highest potential. The journey doesn't end here. The Kybalion is just the beginning. Continue exploring its teachings, experiment with the principles, and discover the transformative power they hold. Don't forget that you are the author of your own story. The pen is in your hand. What will you write next? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more empowering content.